Students, this is 176th maths class. Look at that question, students. Prove that the curves x is equal to y square and xy is equal to k cut at right angles. Cutting at right angles if 8k square is equal to 1. Try to understand this question, students. For these two curves to become perpendicular, these two curves becomes perpendicular only when 8k square value becomes 1. How to solve this? So easy. You assume you take these two curves cut at right angles. What is the condition for cutting at right angles, students? m1 into m2 is equal to minus 1. Use that condition and you go for getting 8k square is equal to 1. Let us move in that way. So right, students, solution x is equal to y square. X is equal to y square. Differentiate this. So differentiation of x is 1. Y square. Differentiate y square. Start differentiating from power 2y. Again y is dy by dx. So find out dy by dx value. So dy by dx is 1 by 2y. You take this slope as m1. You take this slope as m1 because dy by dx means slope. Whenever slope required, just differentiate the given function and obtain dy by dx. Obtain dy by dx. I got m1. Next you differentiate second curve. xy is equal to k. Look at this, students. Here the functions are in product form. The functions are in product form. So you should apply UV rule. Apply UV rule. So I keep that x as it is. Differentiation of y is dy by dx plus x into differentiation of y is dy by dx plus y into, so differentiate x. Differentiation of x is 1 is equal to k. Differentiation of constant is 0. Solve for dy by dx. Find out dy by dx value, students. So x into dy by dx is equal to minus y. X into dy by dx is equal to minus y. So dy by dx is equal to minus y by x. You take this slope as m2. You assume this slope as m2. Since curves are cutting at right angles, what is the condition for that? m1 into m2. m1 into m2 is equal to minus 1. m1 into m2 is equal to minus 1. Substitute for m1 and m2. What is m1, students? 1 by 2y into m2 is minus y by x is equal to minus 1. Y and y get cancels. On both sides minus get cancels. That is multiply both sides by minus. Minus becomes plus. So tell me that, students, 1 by 2x is equal to 1. 1 by 2x is equal to 1. That implies 2x is equal to 1. X is equal to 1 by 2. Actually, I wanted 8k square is equal to 1. Then 8k square is equal to 1 ಬೇಕಿತ್ತು. But here I am getting x is equal to 1 by 2. Now you try to, how to get that 8k square is equal to 1. So you remember this point, students. Use these three equations. Using these three equations, you eliminate both x and y. After eliminating x and y from these three equations, I must get 8k square is equal to 1. The logic, the idea behind that is eliminating x and y from the equations, from these three equations. How I do that? How easily I get that? Look at this one, so simple. Now from this equation, tell me y is equal to k by x. Put y is equal to k by x in x is equal to y square. Put y is equal to k by x in x is equal to y square. Or you do this. Or, so you go for this. Put x is equal to 1 by 2. So in x is equal to y square and xy is equal to k. You put x value in both. So this implies, tell me x value students, 1 by 2 is equal to y square. Come on, what is x? 1 by 2 into y is equal to 1. 1 by 2 into y is equal to 1. So how much is y from this? Y is equal to 2. Y is equal to 2. You put xy is equal to k. This is k, students. This is k. K. So 2k. Put y is equal to 2k in this one. In this. Put y is equal to 2k again in the first equation. This implies 1 by 2 is equal to, tell me y value 2k. Y square means square it. Y square it. 2k whole square. So 2k whole square. So this implies 1 by 2 is equal to 4k square. Cross multiply 1 is equal to 8k square. You can do in one more method, students. You can try this by your own method also. The main concept is, the main thing is, you should eliminate. You think of eliminating both x and y from these three equations. Surely you must get this answer, because this answer does not contain any of x or y. So I hope you understood, students. Let us go further. With this application got over. Now let's move on to one more new application, that is maxima and minima. So right. So one more new application, students, maxima and minima. Maxima and minima. So right. So now it's a very important concept, students. It has wide applications in every field, whether it is physics, chemistry, or whatever it is. So you can see this concept. You can see use of this concept everywhere in the science. You must have to learn this concept, students. So now here I am going to explain neatly. Observe carefully. X axis, y axis. Look at this curve, students. We represent curves by y are fx. Y means curve, fx means curve. Curve means functions. Curves are nothing but functions. Look at this, students. Y value. y value of the function. Vertical value means y value of the function. This is y value. Y value of the function means fx value. Y value, vertical value means y value. Y value means fx value. Function values, values of the function. Because fx is nothing but y. Y value andru onde, fx value andru onde. Yakandre y is equal to fx value. Fx. Look at this is fx value. Fx value. This is also fx value. Fx value. Y value. Fx value. Fx value. Y value. One and the same. Fx value and y value. Both of them are one and the same. Look at this, students. You observe this point. I take this point as x is equal to c. You observe this point. Clearly, this point x is equal to c. The point x is equal to c is located at highest level. It is located at highest level compared to its neighboring points. Compared to its neighboring points, the point x is equal to c is located at highest level, that is maximum level. Therefore, the point x is equal to c must be called as maximum point or local maximum point. You call it as maxima or point of maxima or point of local maxima. The point x is equal to c is called point of local maxima. This point is called as point of local maxima, and this maximum height, y value of the function, vertical value means y value. This y value of the function, clearly this y value related to the point x is equal to c. The vertical value related to maximum point is called as maximum value. The vertical value, look at this is the highest, this height is more, this height is large, very large compared to other heights. This height is more compared to its neighboring heights. Therefore, this y value is called as maximum value. So therefore, maximum value is y value. Vertical value related to the point x is equal to c, that is fc value. Put maximum point in fx, you are going to get this much height. Put maximum point in fx, the y value. Put x is equal to c in fx, the y value so obtained is called as maximum value, highest value. I hope you understood. You are understanding. So maximum value is y is equal to fc, right? Now let us think of finding conditions for this maximum point. That means when we say the point x is equal to c is maximum point only, let us find conditions for that. Look at this, students. You see left side of the curve is increasing, right side of the function decreasing. Left side function is increasing, right side function is decreasing. From the point left side of the point x is equal to c, the function which is on left side of the point x is equal to c is increasing. The function which is right side of the point x is equal to c is decreasing. It decreasingly increasing. You learn this very well. So it should be positive. F dash x is greater than 0 because increasing. What is the condition for increasing? F dash x is positive. Here it is decreasing. What is the condition for decreasing? F dash x is negative. So f dash x is negative. F dash x is negative. F dash x is positive, f dash x is negative. In the left neighborhood of the point x is equal to c, f dash x is positive. In the right neighborhood, f dash x is negative. What about f dash x value at x is equal to c, students? It must be 0. 0. F dash c is equal to 0. Why f dash c is equal to 0? The function increases till the point x is equal to c. The function continuously increases till the point x is equal to c. At the point x is equal to c, it becomes stationary. Stationary means constant. Differentiation of constant is 0. After that the point x is equal to c, it starts decreasing. It starts decreasing. In the right neighborhood of the point x is equal to c, fx is decreasing. F dash x should be negative. This side positive, this side negative, middle must be 0. Look at this, students. If I throw chalk piece, after reaching certain height, it becomes stationary. If I throw chalk piece, after reaching certain height, it becomes stationary. Only if it becomes constant, then only it is possible to start decreasing. So at that maximum point, the function is constant. Differentiation of constant is 0, whatever it is. So f dash x is positive, f dash x negative, f dash x is 0. Right. Now I am going to write a test, right conditions. First derivative test. Look at this, students. X is equal to c. The point x is equal to c is called point of maxima. If f dash x is positive in left neighborhood points, f dash x is positive in left neighborhood points, and f dash x is negative. F dash x is negative in right neighborhood points. In right neighborhood, it's correct, students. So when we say the point x is equal to c has point of maxima or point of local maxima. Point of local maxima. You heard the word local. Is called as point of local maxima if f dash x is positive in left neighborhood points and f dash x is negative in right neighborhood points of x is equal to c, of the point x is equal to c. That is f dash x changes its sign from positive to negative. So one word, if f dash x changes its sign from positive to negative, then that point x is equal to c is called as local maximum point. Point of local maximum. This is first derivative, students. It's useful only, but we won't use that. Now I am going to explain second derivative test. It is so useful. To solve every problem, we use second derivative test only, right? Second derivative test. Now I go for second derivative test. Second derivative test. The point x is equal to c is called point of local maxima. Point of local maxima if first condition is f dash c is equal to 0. So look at this, friends. At the point x is equal to c, f dash c must be 0. F dash x value becomes 0 at x is equal to c. Andre x is equal to c. C ಅನ್ನೋ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನ f dash x ಗೆ ಹಾಕಿದಾಗ ನಮಗೆ ಅದರ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಏನು ಬರಬೇಕು? 0 ಬರಬೇಕು. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಇಸ್ f double dash should be negative. F double dash c is negative. C ಅನ್ನೋ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನ f double dash x ಗೆ ಹಾಕಿದಾಗ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಬರಬೇಕು. ನಿಮಗೆ ಡೌಟ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಇದು ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಹೇಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತಪ್ಪ ಅಂತ. ನಾ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ, ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಇಫ್ fx ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ ಅದರ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ f dash x ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. fx ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ fx ನ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಷಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ f dash x ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ಗಮನಿಸಿ. fx ಡಿಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಷಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ f dash x ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಅದ್ರ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಗಮನಿಸಿ, in the left neighborhood, if I move from left neighborhood to right neighborhood, left neighborhood ಇಂದ right neighborhood ಹೋಗ್ತೀನಿ. ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ನೈಬರ್ಹುಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ f dash x ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಇದೆ. ರೈಟ್ ನೈಬರ್ಹುಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ f dash x ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಇದೆ. ದಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ f dash x values are changing from positive to negative. F dash x values are changing from positive to negative. Changing from positive to negative, moving from positive to negative means decreasing or increasing? Decreasing. What does it mean? F dash x is decreasing at the point x is equal to c. ಈ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ f dash x ಡಿಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಏನು ಡಿಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ. ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ನೈಬರ್ಹುಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಇದೆ, ರೈಟ್ ನೈಬರ್ಹುಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಇದೆ. ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ನೈಬರ್ಹುಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಇದೆ, ರೈಟ್ ನೈಬರ್ಹುಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಇದೆ. ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಇಂದ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಕಡೆ ಹೋಗೋದಂದ್ರೆ ಡಿಕ್ರೀಸಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸಿಂಗ್? ಡಿಕ್ರೀಸಿಂಗ್. f dash x is decreasing. f dash x is decreasing means what is the derivative of f dash x? f double dash x must be negative. f dash x ಡಿಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. f dash x ನ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಷಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ f double dash x ಬರುತ್ತೆ. f double dash x ಡಿಕ್ರೀಸಿಂಗ್ ಗೆ ಹೇಗೆ ಬರೀತೀವಿ ನಾವು? ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಬರೀತೀವಿ. ಅದನ್ನೇ ಬರೆದಿರೋದು. ರೈಟ್. ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಬೈ ಹೆಡ್ ದಿಸ್, ಇದನ್ನು ಬೈ ಹೆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಸಾಕು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಸೊ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ means y value. So y maximum point in fx value ನಮಗೆ maximum value ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Maximum value is y is equal to fc. Maximum point in fx ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ maximum value ಬರುತ್ತೆ. I hope you understood students. So anyhow, by head the condition, solve the problems. So look at this.